Hello everyone, welcome to this video on JSP, Java Servlet Pages. I am Arpan Jain and today we are discussing all about the JSP. What is JSP? JSP is a server-side technology. It's used to create dynamic web pages using Java. It combines HTML, CSS and JavaScript with Java to build robust web applications. Now, why we use JSP? Uh, Embeds Java directly into HTML, reducing complexity compared to servlets. Allow for dynamic content generation, integrate seamlessly with database and Java frameworks. Now question arises where JSP fits in the web development stack. We can fit a JSP in front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Middle layer is JSP for server-side processing and then backend, database like MySQL or Oracle. Now we are discussing about JSP lifecycle. There are four stages in the lifecycle of JSP. First is translation, second is compilation, third is execution, and fourth one is response. First is translation. The JSP file is translated into a servlet by the server. In compilation stage, the servlet is compiled into bytecode. And at third stage, that is execution, the servlet executes, generating HTML as output. And then response. The generated HTML is sent back to the client browser. This is all about the lifecycle. Now we are discussing of key features of JSP. First is easy to use. Write HTML and Java in a single line. As we discussed earlier, basically JSP is Java inside the HTML. Second is implicit object. Predefined object like request, response, session, and output make JSP more interactive and more useful. Third is custom tags. Extend functionality with custom tag libraries. Expression language simplifies access to data stored in Java beans, maps, etc. Now we are discussing about basic JSP syntax. First is scriptlets for embedding Java code. Basically, like HTML tags, first we second is expression for outputting dynamic content direction. Third is declaration. Fourth is directive for configuration the JSP page. Now to set up and hands-on the JSP, first we need to set up the environment like JDK, download JDK, IDE, Tomcat, Apache Tomcat, and set up them. Then we need to create a file with the index.jsp inside the web apps on Apache, and on the same web apps we need to create a folder with webinf in which we create an XML file and then access after compiling the Java code we can access that that servlets directly with the URL. There are some advanced features in JSP like using expression language, simplify accessing Java objects in JSP, integrated JSTL, that is Java Server Pages Standard Tag Libraries. It uses predefined tag for common tasks, connecting JSP with database. Now, why we use JSP? JSP with other technology, how it is beneficial, how it is effective to use JSP than other uh, other tech stacks like servlets. First, we compare JSP versus servlet. JSP simplifies the development processing by embedding Java directly into HTML. Now, how JSP is better than PHP? JSP integrates seamlessly with Java application and offer better scalability. JSP versus frameworks. How JSP is more useful than frameworks? JSP used for simple dynamic web pages, while frameworks are more suited for large-scale applications. Last but not least, we have discussed in this video about JSP, lifecycle, and how to create and deploy a JSP page. Thank you. For any question and any clarification, you can comment on this video.